So what exactly is a live video? Or some also call it a live streaming. So let's get right into it. Hi, my name is Nicole Riley and I'm the creator of Learn to Go Live. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so the next time I publish a new video, you get notified. So let's talk about it. What is actually a live video? Many people know what videos are, but what is a live video? A live video is like a real-time broadcast, such as a news broadcast, right? But through the internet. So it's a live video being recorded through the internet and allows the audience directly to communicate with the host of the live show. So think of a news station that is broadcasting through a TV, right, on a different TV channels. Well, they are just talking, but you really can't communicate with them and tell them, hey, what about this? What about that? And can you tell me more about it? And can I share this? Well, a live video is streamed through the internet, which is why it's called sometimes live streaming, although some people confuse that with gamers, right? So I like to just call it live videos so that way we're not confusing it with the teens out there who are doing gaming. But when I do a live video, I have a chance to communicate with my audience directly, me being on camera and them being in the chat, showing off their love, their questions. They're able to share it through social media and of course give it thumbs ups or thumbs down if they really don't like it, or if they're on Facebook they can send hearts or ha-has or whatever they like. And it's the same true for Instagram or some of the other social media platforms available that allow you to do live streaming. They're fun, they're real, and they really get you to communicate with your audience in real time. It also allows you to share your screen specifically on the platforms that allow you to do outside apps such as Facebook or YouTube or some other ones. I will focus only on Facebook and YouTube for now. Instagram doesn't allow you to use outside apps in order to schedule, for example, the live. Use something like a screen sharing platform. I like to use Ecamm. Ecamm Live is for Macs only, but there's also StreamYard out there. That allows you to share your screen, have multiple cameras, have guests on it, or even allows you to create a webinar when you sell something or if you pitch something. It's the perfect platform to really communicate with your audience directly and have a one-on-one, almost literally one-on-one, because you can call out people. It is best to schedule or promote your live event ahead of time, which means that you either want to create an event somewhere, you have the live scheduled. Some of the platforms allow you to schedule directly. Some of them you have to use an outside app such as Ecamm or StreamYard to be able to schedule your lives. Now, when you do so, you want to promote your live and tell them what is happening. Now, it's best to have a theme or some kind of subject that you're doing for going live. For example, you could say, hey, I'm going to share 5 tips to do XYZ. Or today I'm going to show you how to do XYZ, right? Or I would like to just summarize what has been happening on my website or my business, or I want to show you my new products, XYZ, right? There's so many different ideas on how to go live, and I'm going to tell you more about it in future videos. If you've never gone live before and you really want to, but you're scared or you have absolutely no idea how to start, well, check out the description. There is a link right there that allows you to sign up for my newsletter to get a freebie, yes, a freebie, to have a list of things that you need to do as you go live the very first time. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and let other people know about it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that little bell to get notified the next time I publish a new video, go live, or have some kind of big announcement for you. Until next time, I see ya. Bye.